Credit card debt in the U.S. hit an expensive milestone this week. Nationwide, it surpassed $1 trillion for the first time ever.
An electric payment card branded by the publicly traded financial service business American Express is referred to as an Amex card or American Express card. Individuals, small companies, and corporate customers can get American Express cards both domestically and internationally. How to apply for an Amex card? To apply for an Amex card is your goal. Do you think that the application procedure will be similar to that obtaining a passport or a pet license, whereby your approval is virtually assured as soon as you provide the required documentation? Or do you think it'll be similar to applying to a university or a job, where you concentrate on your skills, find a good fit, and then make the best impression possible? Applying for an Amex card is actually more like applying for a job than for a passport. Even though you won't need to write an essay or attend an interview, however, approval rates imply that a large number of applicants either overestimate the qualifications or have incorrect ideas about the procedure. The most recent consumer credit card market report from the Bureau of Consumers Financial Protection states that since 2015, the acceptance rates for general-purpose credit cards have been falling. If the card issuer makes a rigorous inquiry to ascertain your eligibility, denied applications may result in a deduction of points from your credit score. Careful planning can increase the likelihood that your credit card application will be accepted, even though there are no guarantees. Here are some tips on how to submit an application for a credit card, how to apply for an Amex card, and the basics you need to know. Generally speaking, to apply for an Amex card, you must have reached the age of 21, possess an individual taxpayer identification number or social security number, and possess a means of support. But there are a few outliers. If you can show that you make a consistent income, or if you become an authorized user on someone else's account, you might be eligible to obtain a credit card at the age of 18. While not usually necessary, some card issuers need an ITIN or social security number as requirements. Furthermore, while not having a job won't always prevent you from obtaining a card, not having income might. The good news is that a variety of non-wage income sources, such as Social Security benefits, child support, and investment returns, may be adequate. Also, identifying your credit rating is very important. Although it's not the only consideration, income is another important consideration. Many lending choices, including those involving credit card applications, start with your credit score. To put it simply, your chances of getting approved increase with your credit score. How to determine your credit score? Examine your bank or credit card statements every month. A complimentary monthly credit score snapshot is provided by certain banks and creditors. Make use of a credit score provider such as My Credit Guide. How to choose the credit card you want? There are hundreds of credit cards available. You should probably choose your aim and conduct some study before applying for any of them. Think about how you want to use the card, for instance. Are you looking to start accumulating credit, or are you hoping to get rewards? The choices consist of secured cards are intended for individuals with no credit history or bad credit history. They need a deposit. They might work well for credit building. Simple credit cards are designed to help you establish credit and manage your money. They often don't charge an annual fee and may provide a basic rewards program with a few extra benefits. Cards with balance transfers are intended to assist you with debt consolidation. As long as you pay off the transferred sum before the intro period expires, these cards are a cost-effective way to pay off debt because they often have 0% intro annual percentage rate, APR. These cards are a cost-effective way to pay off your debt because they often have 0% intro annual percentage rate, APR periods for balance transfers or no fees associated with them. Rewards credit cards provides benefits for using them, such as travel miles, cashback, or rewards points. The yearly cost usually increases with the number of points and other card advantages that are offered. As you refine your search, you might want to take into account a few more factors. Applying for a credit card from a bank or credit union where you currently have an account may, in certain circumstances, facilitate the approval process. Remember that not all Amex cards are created equal. Variations in fees, interest rates, and other aspects can have a significant impact. As always, it's a good idea to study the fine print when considering credit cards. Credit card agreements are typically available online from credit card issuers, allowing you to easily compare products, view the terms associated with each card, and discover what the various cards have to offer. How to complete an application. The majority of credit cards can be applied for online, but you may also be able to apply on paper by completing an application and by mailing it to the credit card issuer. Applying online has the benefit of typically receiving a decision in minutes as opposed to weeks. In either case, be ready to give name, birthday, and ITIN or social security number. Total yearly revenue, your address, the date, and your signature, whether physical or digital. In the event that you are requesting to transfer balances from current cards, you'll also require the account numbers, balances, the creditor names associated with those cards. Obtaining an Amex card can resemble a job interview more than applying for a passport, but you can improve your chances of approval if you are well prepared, have a high enough income, and have a good credit score. Please don't lose hope in your application if it's turned down. You can be approved by another bank. Additionally, you might attempt to address any unfavorable aspects and reapply if necessary. Also, knowing how to use American Express cards is very important. American Express is the company that issues and manages the American Express network of credit cards. One of the few financial service firms in the market with an ability to create and handle electronic payment cards is American Express. American Express is a financial service corporation that is listed on a public exchange. It has a wide range of rivals in the market because it provides network processing and credit lending services, just like traditional lenders. With its own processing network, American Express faces competition from Visa and MasterCard. Discover Financial Services, a publicly traded financial services corporation that provides processing services and credit loans, is the most similar competitor to it. American Express makes money from both interest-earning products and network processing transaction services because of its multi-product capabilities. What are the types of American Express cards? Many retail and business clients can choose from a range of American Express credit cards and prepaid debit cards. Additionally, it leads the industry in the provision of charge cards, which gives credit on a month-to-month basis with monthly balances that need to be paid off. Standard underwriting procedures are followed by American Express credit and charge cards. The organization does not often lend to subprime borrowers. Instead, it targets consumers with good to high credit quality. Reward points and travel privileges are among the many perks that come with American Express credits and charge card. These benefits are contingent upon the annual fee that is assessed. While they're not among the greatest cashback cards out there right now, 8 American Express cards might give cash back on specific purchases. Additionally, American Express provided a variety of branded prepaid debit cards that can be reloaded for additional purchases or used as gift cards. The Blue Cash Preferred card costs $95 annually. The Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express card costs $99. The Green card costs $150. The Gold card costs $250. And the Platinum card costs $550. These are the typical high annual fees associated with American Express cards. However, there are no set spending limits for the Green, Gold, and Platinum cards. Yes, American Express offers at least 6 cards that don't require an annual fee. All American Express credit cards provides excellent customer service. J.D. Power's 2020 U.S. Credit Card Satisfaction Study ranked the firm. Do you wish to own an Amex card? What are your thoughts on the process to get an Amex card? Let us know your views in the comment section. For more interesting updates like these, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. See ya!